This video will demonstrate how to light a main, side, and rear burner on a Napoleon Phantom Rogue Grill. Before you begin, open the cabinet and ensure the fuel source is connected and turned on. To light a main burner, the control knob must be pushed in and turned slightly to the left, not surpassing the lightning bolt. Hold it here for 3 to 5 seconds before turning it past the lightning bolt to light the burner. When holding in the control knob, fuel is released through the jet fire supply tube and the burner. Once turned past the lightning bolt, the fuel is ignited for a more reliable and even lighting of the burner. To light the side burner, lift the cover and remove the cooking grid to check the spacing between the electrodes. They should not be touching and should have a gap of up to 1/2 centimeter between them to ensure a clean spark can occur. Replace the cooking grid at the desired height and turn the control knob to the left. Leave it there for 3 to 5 seconds before pressing the igniter button to light the burner. This time allows the fuel to fill the ports, so the burner can be evenly heated. Before lighting the rear burner, open the lid and remove the warming rack. Turn the control knob and leave it there for 3 to 5 seconds before pressing the igniter button to light the burner. The spark ignites between the electrode and the burner, behind the rear burner housing. Regardless of the burner, ensure to allow enough time for the grill to get to the desired temperature to evenly distribute the heat across the cooking surface. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.